Can you believe it? This channel published only 15 short videos and already gained thousands of subscribers. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's 100% true. The channel is called Little Margot Stories, and it's truly impressive. With just 15 uploads, none of them full-length videos, this creator managed to build a huge following in no time. That kind of growth is seriously inspiring. And guess what? The channel is already monetized. Yes, you heard me right. No jokes, no hype. You can check it out yourself. The proof is right there for everyone to see. Now you're probably wondering about earnings, right? Let me break it down. This channel is earning thousands of dollars and it's still growing. Incredible, isn't it? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create a similar AI-powered animation channel, all using free tools with zero investment and no paid software required. Yes, it's totally beginner-friendly and completely free to start. So, here's what I want you to do. Hit that subscribe button, follow along with the video, and make sure to watch it until the end. Because I'm going to walk you through every step you need to launch your own AI animation channel from scratch. Just take a screenshot and we're on the page. After taking a screenshot, head over to ChatGPT, paste the screenshot, and simply type, "I want to create this type of animated shorts video. Please provide me with 10 prompts. Make sure the same cute character is used in every scene and every prompt." That's all you need to do. No need to write any complicated or advanced instructions. Keep your message clear, simple, and respectful. Then just sit back and watch the magic unfold. ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 beautifully matched prompts, all following the same style, character, and theme as your screenshot. The results are not only creative, they're super cute, visually consistent, and look like they were planned by a professional animator. You'll be amazed at how accurately ChatGPT understands the scene and generates a complete, cohesive set of prompts you can directly use in AI image generators or animation tools. This method is a total time saver, especially if you're making animated content in series or working on bulk visuals that need consistency in characters and style. It's quick, easy, and, best of all, it works perfectly every time. So go ahead, try it once, and see for yourself how powerful ChatGPT can be in helping you bring your AI animated shorts to life. You can also use Leonardo AI, one of the best platforms out there for generating high-quality, realistic characters in HD. Whether you're creating fantasy scenes, animated shorts, or eye-catching thumbnails, Leonardo AI delivers stunning results with incredible detail. There's no need to worry about low-resolution or generic designs. This tool creates visually impressive, full HD images that look polished and professional. It's perfect for taking your animated videos or visual content to the next level. Go to the website called Digen.ai. Don't worry, this isn't a paid tool, and you don't need to spend anything. Just follow along step by step. Start by logging in using any Gmail ID. Yes, any personal or extra Gmail account will work. Once you're in, the tool will instantly provide you with 330 free credits, which is more than enough to create one high-quality animated video. Here's the cool part. With just a few Gmail IDs, you can create multiple videos every single day for free. And the best thing? You'll notice that every video looks super high quality, the animation is realistic, and the character stays the same across all your prompts, giving your content a professional and consistent look. Once you're logged in, click on Create. Upload your image, paste your prompt. You can use something simple like animate this video, and adjust the size and duration. 5 or 10 seconds is ideal. Now hit Generate and let the AI do its magic. Each video only costs 30 credits, and the results are honestly amazing. Smooth motion, HD visuals, and a clean animated style. Yes, there's a small logo or watermark at the bottom, but don't worry, I'll also guide you on how to remove that later. This method is not just simple, it's fast, free, and super effective. By using multiple Gmail accounts, you can keep producing unlimited high-quality animated videos without paying a single rupee. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try today and start creating content that looks professional, consistent, and 100% AI-powered without spending a dime. Alright, now your video is fully ready. Just drag all the generated clips into CapCut, or any video editor you like. Once they're imported, arrange the clips in the correct order and adjust the video size if needed. No voiceover is required, because the visuals already include built-in sound effects and background audio. Everything is synced perfectly. If you notice any small logo or watermark in the corner, don't worry. Just use the scale tool in CapCut to zoom in slightly and crop it out. Problem solved. The video quality is already HD, so there's no need for extra enhancement. Just keep it clean. Now for the final polish. Add some smooth transitions between scenes, sprinkle in a few text effects or titles to highlight moments. Maybe drop in an end screen or call to action, and that's it. You're done. Export the video and just watch the magic unfold. This tool does all the heavy lifting. Visuals, audio realism speed. And best of all, 100% free. Now sit back, enjoy your video, and prepare to amaze your audience. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. More powerful free AI tools are coming your way. Stay connected.